Hi, writers! Welcome to day 3 of Writers Workshop. Today I want to teach you that writers use mentor texts to help them come up with ideas. So there's a couple different kinds of books that we've used so far this year to help us come up with our writing ideas. We've used pattern books, like our yellow books from 100 Book. I Can Hop, I Can Run. You could use that idea to help you make a pattern book. We've also read lots of stories, like our favorite, Piggy and Gerald. You can write stories too. You can come up with made up characters and ideas to help you tell your story. But you could also write a teaching book, like some of those informational books in our 1G and 2G bins. So on this page, you can see that there's a book about how turtles flap their flippers. So that book is all about turtles. So I looked around my house to find some books that maybe I could get some ideas from. And I found this book about polar bears. Now, do you think this is a pattern book, a storybook, or a teaching book? Kiss your brain if you said teaching book. Yes, this book is going to teach us all about polar bears. But I don't know a whole lot about polar bears. So instead of writing my teaching book about polar bears, I decided to write my teaching book about dogs. So I said, dogs make great pets. They can be all different sizes and colors. And then I drew a big dog with floppy ears and a little dog with a fluffy tail. I added my labels. I can't wait to see your labels. So today I wanted to teach you that you can use books around your house to help you come up with your ideas for writing. That's how I came up with my All About Dogs book, because I read a book about polar bears. So look around your house, find some books, maybe the ones that you brought home from school or any kind of your own book in your library, and see if they can inspire you for your writing today. All right, writers, grab your pens, grab your paper, and get writing. I can't wait to see what you do. Bye.